Next. Hello. This is lecture 12. Lecture 12. 6th sem. Math 3. By Ramanjan sir. Department of Mathematics. This is lecture 12, 6th sem, Math 3 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Let us see a few more theorems on the closure of a set. The theorem 1 was discussed in lecture 11, whereas now theorem 2 is an important theorem again. And this theorem was asked in the year 2015, 2016, even 2020. Right. Let X, 2 be a topological space. X, 2 be a topological space, and A, B be the subsets of X such that first one, if A is subset of B, then A bar is subset of B bar. Second one, A union B bar is equal to A bar union B bar. See that the two results in this theorem that we can prove. Let X, 2 be a topological space. X, 2 be a topological space, and A, B is subset of X. First one, we have A is subset of B and B is subset of B bar by definition of closure. By definition of closure implies see that now even the diagram also, this is A and is its closure, this is B and this is B bar. Every set must be subset of its closure. Implies A must be subset of B bar. Next, A is subset of B bar and B bar is closed because it is the intersection of closed sets. B bar is closed, then A bar must be subset of B bar, because previously also we have A is subset of A bar and A bar is closed since, and A bar is closed, then so here is by this A is subset of A and A is closed. Suppose automatically its bar must be subset of A. Even here also A is subset of B bar and B bar is closed. Suppose then for the first set it should have the bar. A bar is subset of B bar. Next, second one, we have A is subset of A union B and B is subset of A union B, implies A bar is subset of A union B, comma B bar is subset of A union B bar, taking bar on both sides to these subsets. This implies their union A bar union B bar is also subset of A union B bar. Take this as 1. Next, by definition of closure, for A and B, A is subset of A bar and B is subset of B bar, implies A union B is subset of A bar union B bar, is subset of A bar union B bar. Again, A bar union B bar is the smallest closed set, containing A union B, then so here again this step is A bar union B bar is the closed set. First of all, later we will go for the smallest closed. A bar union B bar is the closed set being the union of two closed sets A and B, two closed sets A and B. So here A bar is the closed set, B bar is also closed set. Why? Because it is the closure of A, which is the intersection of all closed sets. Automatically A bar is always the closed set, even B bar is also the closed set. Their union is also a closed set. Since A union B bar is the intersection of, or otherwise is the smallest closed set, containing A union B, then A union B bar is subset of A union B, which is subset of A bar union B bar, implies A union B bar is subset of A bar union B bar. So take this as equation 2. So previously we have equation 1 is there. So from 1, 2, A union B bar is equal to A bar union B bar. Next, theorem 3. Prove that A intersection B, A union B bar is subset of A bar union B bar even is equal to also. Whereas now, in place of union, we take now in this theorem is intersection. A intersection B bar is subset of A bar intersection B bar, but the converse is not true. Is not true. Let us see that. Proof. We have A intersection B is subset of A, implies A intersection B bar is subset of A bar. Similarly, A intersection B is subset of B, implies A intersection B bar is subset of B bar. Therefore, common element here, A intersection B bar is subset of in their intersection, A bar intersection B bar. It was proved. Whereas the converse need not be true. Converse is not true. Let us take one example. Let x is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and tau is equal to set of x, 5, set of 1, set of 2. This is a topology. No, it cannot be a topology, and is also one of the element. This cannot be a topology. It is 1, 2. Next, be a topology. Be a topology on X. Let A is equal to set of 1, B is equal to set of 2, which is subset of X. A intersection B is equal to 5, implies A intersection B bar is equal to 5 bar is equal to 5. Take this as equation 1. Next, closed sets. Closed sets. X minus x, x minus 5, x minus set of 1, x minus set of 2, x minus set of 1, 2 implies 5, x, set of 2, 3, set of 1, 3, set of 3, set of 3. Next, closure of A. Closure of A is equal to A bar is equal to X intersection closure of A. So what is closure of A? It is set of 1 bar. Set of 1 bar. Set of 1 bar is equal to X intersection. So where is 1 containing the sets, closed sets? Set of 1, 3 is equal to set of 1, 3. Closure of B is equal to B bar is equal to set of 2 bar is equal to, this is X intersection. X intersection. What is set of 2 containing? Set of 2, set of 2, 3 is equal to set of 2, 3. Next, A bar intersection B bar is equal to set of 1, 3 intersection set of 2, 3 is equal to set of 3. So it is not equal to 5. Take this as 2. So that from 1, 2 from 1 comma 2, A bar intersection B bar is not subset of A intersection B bar. See that here again, once again explain. Closure of A is equal to A bar is equal to set of 1. So is equal to the intersection of all closure sets containing 1. So what are that? These are all closure sets. X is containing 1. Intersection set of 1 comma 3 is equal to set of 1 comma 3. Similarly, set of closure of B is equal to B bar is equal to set of 2 bar. So that intersection of all closure sets containing 2. So this is X containing 2, even this set also, set of 2 comma 3 is equal to set of 2 comma 3. Their intersection is equal to set of 3, not equal to 5. But here is A intersection B bar is equal to 5. So that these two this cannot be is equal to 5, this can be is equal to 5. Automatically A bar intersection B bar, this one cannot be subset of, because the different sets, same sets means to be subset. The different sets cannot be subsets. Next, dense set. Dense set is important. It was asked in 2017. Dense set. Let X comma tau be a topological space. X comma tau be a topological space. Full stop. Let capital A subset of X. Then A is said to be dense set if A bar is equal to X. Suppose the closure of a set A is X, then A is said to be a dense set. Example, let capital X is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3, and tau is equal to set of X comma 5 comma set of 2 comma set of 2 comma 3 be a topology on X. Be a topology on X. Closure sets. X minus X, X minus 5, X minus set of 2, X minus set of 2 comma 3 implies 5 comma X comma set of 1 comma 3 comma set of 1. Next, let capital A is equal to set of 2 comma 3. Closure of A is equal to A bar is equal to set of 2 comma 3 bar is equal to intersection of all closed sets, containing A is equal to X intersection. So what is set of int comma 3? No sets are there. Is equal to X itself. This implies A bar is equal to X. A bar is equal to X implies A is a dense set. A is a dense set in X. A is a dense set in X. So let us see a few more in the next lecture. Thank you very much.